smallest boy.
The parrot is meeting the baby for the first time, and it appears to be trying to welcome or interact with him. This gesture is a sign of the parrot saying, "You're welcome."
Are you helping him with his feathers?
If I got one ready.
Yeah. You need to make sure they're ready, buddy. Don't get the ones that aren't ready. There you go. That's a good boy. Yeah. You like the baby McCall, huh? Yeah.
He's like, it's my own kind.
You gonna help him with those feathers? Oh, that's so nice. That's so nice, Blue. Yeah. It's okay. The baby's just hungry again.
Hey, I just fed it at 7.
You're hungry? You are not hungry, baby. You can't be hungry.
Give her kisses. She's not your mummy. I'm your mummy. She's not so keen. Okay, she's not so keen as you. I know. She's not as keen as you,
She will play with you another day. You love the baby? Give me a kiss.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Oh, Mama, you're doing such a good job.
The transformation of this parrot, from when it was an egg to when it first struggled to find its feet, and eventually grew into such a beautiful creature, is truly amazing.
This is all I want, too much to ask. Is it so?
Okay.
What doing? You're so cute. Mwah. No. No, I don't want to kiss kiss. Did you just call me a bitch?
Yeah, tell the puppy you love him.
I love you.
Good girl.
If you want to see more amazing wildlife and bird videos, and you are a lover of birds, feel free to subscribe to this channel. We will be regularly uploading new videos, showcasing birds and how amazing their interactions with humans can be.